Okay, so in this equation, we want to solve for the value of m. Okay, so before we apply the multiplication property of equality, what I'm going to do is I will place this negative sign here on top. Okay, and then this negative sign on top. I'm doing that to avoid confusion later on. Okay, so this m, I'll put that here. Now, since we have two different kinds of denominator, 3 and 5, I will multiply each term by those two. Meaning, 3 times 5 times negative 4 over 3 equals 3 times 5 times negative 2m over 5 plus 3 times 5 times 1/3. Okay, so once we do that, on this left side, you can see we can cancel the 3. So all we need to do is to multiply 5 and negative 4. That'd be negative 20. So 3 times 5 here, we can cancel the 5. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6m. And finally here, we can cancel the 3. 5 times 1, 5. Alright, so now we have a much simpler equation. It looks like this one is easier, right? So basically, that's what we do if we have fractions in an equation. We want to remove the denominators because it will make the equation a lot simpler, like what we did here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I will remove the 5 first by adding negative 5 on both sides. So this will be 0 now. Negative 20 plus negative 5 is negative 25 equals negative 6m. And finally, divided by negative 6, that cancels out. Divided by negative 6. Negative divided by negative is positive. So this will be 25 over 6. So can we simplify that? I don't think so. So we can just encircle this and this will serve as our final answer.